Finally, the Uganda Railway is renovated. After many years, actually, they built a new one. They bought a new train passenger cabin and more trains to come. If you want to see the progress, watch this video till the end.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Boa, and today we are going to see the railway station. And you know, the railway station is under renovation, and today I'm taking you through all the way from where it starts from to where it ends. And this is the station one.
Alright, so we need more ambassadors for Uganda. So since you've decided to share Uganda to the world, you all, if you want to see more of Uganda, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that he will showcase what you don't know about Uganda.
Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of infrastructure as we explore the newly constructed Uganda Railway. This monumental project has not only transformed the transportation in the region, but also holds immense historical and economic significance. So, back up and join me as I take a journey along the tracks of progress. But before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more exciting content. Let's get started. To truly appreciate the significance of the newly ongoing construction of the Uganda Railway, it is essential to understand its historical context. The original Uganda Railway, also known as the Lunatic Express, was built in the late 19th century during the colonial era. Its construction faced numerous challenges, including harsh terrain, diseases, wildlife, and homesicknesses. Remember, Indian coolies were brought from India to build the Uganda Railway from Kenya to Uganda, but they faced much resistance from some tribes like Nandi and wildlife. I'm going to show you all the construction, but let's first tour this station. Please let me know what do you think about this project in the comment section. This wagon is full of stones.
I didn't know that even the train has a brake. It has brake pads. Look, it has brake pads. This is the brake pad. This is the brake pad for this train, yeah? You know, here they do repairing, they change the pads. Yeah, this is the brake pad.
I'm waiting for your views in our parliament. I mean the comment section. Let me show you this side. Let's see all around. Those wagons you see here are full of stones, and those stones are used to cover the concrete sleepers for the railway, just like you see down here. Now let me take you to the construction site and you see what is taking place there. The only change, this time round we are using concrete sleepers, not steel. Let me show you the process. It starts like this. Look at this incredible part. Fast forward to today, the new Uganda Railway stands as a testament to Uganda's growth and development. The engineering marvel of the new Uganda Railway is truly awe-inspiring. Stretching across vast landscapes, this modern railway network incorporates state-of-the-art technology and sustainable practices. The construction involved innovative solutions to overcome challenges, making it one of the most advanced railway systems in the region. These are new wagons or cabins Uganda bought, and new trains to come.
Like, comment, and share. Thank you.
Let's take a closer look at the cutting-edge features that make this railway a game changer. That's a train taking concrete sleepers. The construction is going on and the technology is super high. That makes this railway a game changer, one of its kind in Uganda. This is where they changed the railway route. Yeah, they changed it from here. Now let's talk about the economic impact of the Uganda Railway. This project will significantly boost trade and commerce, connecting key cities and facilitating the movement of goods and services. It will open up new opportunities for businesses, creating jobs and stimulating economic growth. The railway will become a lifeline for various industries, transforming the economic landscape of Uganda. In today's world, environmental sustainability is paramount. The new Uganda Railway sets a remarkable example by incorporating eco-friendly practices, from energy-efficient trains to wildlife conservation efforts. This project prioritizes environmental preservation by reducing carbon emissions and minimizing its ecological footprint. The railway contributes to a greener, more sustainable future.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just sweet. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Looking ahead, the future prospects of the Uganda Railway are incredibly promising. Ongoing expansions and upgrades are planned, further enhancing its capacity and efficiency. This not only strengthens domestic connectivity, but also fosters regional integration. The railway's role in shaping Uganda's progress continues to evolve, making it a symbol of the living interconnected nation.
I miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
And there you have it, folks. The incredible story of the newly constructed Uganda Railway, from its historical roots to its modern day impact. This railway represents Uganda's journey towards progress and prosperity. I hope you found this exploration as fascinating as I did. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, stay curious.